Welcome back to Advanced Techno World, where cutting-edge technology meets real-world performance. Today, we're diving into the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, a next-generation action camera. So if you're ready to see whether this is the ultimate action camera, stay tuned and let's get started. Unparalleled imaging with 13.5 stops of dynamic range and 2.4 micrometers equivalent pixel size. Legendary Leica optics meet Insta360 innovation to set a new benchmark for image quality in an action camera, now supporting 4K 60fps Active HDR and 8K 30fps video. The first Insta360 Ace Pro 2 action camera with a dedicated Pro imaging chip for noise reduction and image processing, plus a 5nm AI chip for further processing and powerful performance, delivering 100% more computing power than Insta360 Ace Pro. It's a revolutionary setup with incredible results. PureVideo Mode redefines low-light shooting in an action camera, now supported up to 4K 60fps. AI noise reduction ensures crisp details, while enhanced brightness brings your low-light shots to life. Innovative hardware meets advanced algorithms. An all-new wind guard minimizes wind noise during peak moments, ready to snap on or off as needed. Refreshed audio algorithms bring clarity to your content, immersing your viewers like nothing else. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 up to 4K 60fps. Active HDR unlocks powerful dynamic range, with better light and shadows through any adventure. Exclusive Leica color profiles infuse your footage with signature color aesthetics, adding a touch of elegance to every shot. Perfect for diving, motorcycling, vlogs, winter sports, and more. Get rock-solid shots every ride with FlowState Stabilization and see all your surroundings with a 157 degrees wide-angle lens and MegaView FOV. Waterproof to 39 feet 12 meters, and handles temperatures as cold as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 have more control with the 2.5-inch flip touchscreen that can handle the action, with a 70% increase in pixel density, 6% increase in brightness, and 100% increase in flip durability. It makes it easier to preview and perfect your shots and remains visible even in bright sunlight. Quickly switch accessories with seamless magnetic mounting. Zoom in without losing any details with 4K clarity zoom, and overlay stats from your phone, Apple Watch, Garmin device, and more. Packed with easy-to-use features like gesture control, timecode, and pre-recording. Create dynamic videos with advanced AI editing tools. AI highlights assistant finds and merges the highlights in camera, sending a ready-to-share video to you in the Insta360 app. From water sports to winter sports, motorcycling to vlogging, see where your imagination takes you. Standard bundle includes 1X Insta360 Ace Pro 2, 1X Wind Guard, pre-installed by default, 2X batteries, 1X standard mount, 1X mic cap, and 1X USB-C to USB-C cable.